Hello everyone, and welcome to Happy Learning Tutorials. Hope you all are doing good. Today in the Leadership Success and Life Transformation series, we are going to learn about the 5 H rules. So are you ready to learn all the 5 H rules? Are you ready to transform your life and career? If the answer is yes, let's proceed ahead. Else don't bother to read or listen to me further, right? So if you're ready and the answer is yes, let's know what are the qualities of leaders with 5H and how you can make that transition. Number one, as a leader, you have to be headstrong. Number two, attain the state of happiness and calmness. Number three, be harmonious. Number four, be hopeful. Number five, be heroic and humorous. Last but not the least, heroes are born out of pain, out of struggles, out of difficulties, out of challenges. Fight those difficulties and come out as a hero and add some humor to your life to stay happy always, right? Okay, so these are my 5 X. So let's start and understand each one of them in detail. So before that, I would like to share one important thing wherein there are different styles of leadership. So you have to understand what is your style and adapt to that style as per your roles, right? The first style is authoritarian leadership, where we have the autocratics, right? Number two is the participative leadership, where we have the democrats or the democratic leadership. Number three is the delegative leadership, wherein you you are in a position to share things or delegate things to others. Number four is the transactional leadership, which is a managerial leadership, a manager role, right? And last but not least is the transformational leadership, which I'm talking about is visionary. A leader who is who has a vision and who wants others to see that vision and work on themselves to transform their life in a better fashion. All right. Hope you like this. With this, let's move ahead and learn. So you can lead from the front, you can lead from behind, you can lead beside, and you can lead from the whole, and you can lead within. So do you have that within yourself to become that visionary leader? If yes, let's proceed with the headstrong. So what is headstrong? Be headstrong in taking those difficult decisions, those difficult challenges, those painful moments where you have to take those decisions. A leader can never sit back from the setbacks and become demotivated. No, leader always has to be headstrong and level-headed in going ahead and fight those challenges and battles in spite of the setbacks, right? So you are a role model and people look up to you for a lot of decision making, and you have to be strong enough to take those difficult and bold steps ahead fearlessly and with confidence. Number two, happiness. Like I said, happiness is a state of mind, and leaders are always composed and calm because they need to take a lot of decisions. Number one, they need to crack a lot of deals. Number two, they need to negotiate with a lot of people and clients. Number three, or stakeholders. Number four, they have to deal with everyone calmly, composedly, and be sincere in your approaches instead of being aggressive for a simple nonsense thing. So choose your battles 5P and try to stay happy. Next is harmonious. Create and nurture those relationships, your networks, your business, your communities. They are going to help you out in the long run. So create that relationship. Feel what went right, what went wrong, what is working, what is not working, and create those experiences and expressions and demonstrations, right? So learn from those learnings and experiences. Next is being hopeful. Have you ever seen a leader who is demotivated and who never feels motivated? No, not at all. Leaders are always hopeful for the future. Always think about the future. Like I mentioned, it's a visionary. You have to work on that mission and vision, right? Being hopeful about the future in spite of the setbacks or in spite of the challenges or in spite of fighting those battles. You have to set a hope for the future, or hope for that new technology, or hope for that new thing which didn't work out earlier but is gonna work out and make that change happen and impact others. Last but not least, being a hero. So there are heroes and there are legends. So heroes are born out of pain and legends create the legacy. So who are you? Be that hero to help others out, being their rescue in times of need of their teammates, of their people, of their business, of their stakeholders, of their people. So leaders always emerge as a hero out of the struggling times and battles, and add a little humor to add to that life so that you can you can fight those battles easily, and it will help you out in the long run. Hope you like these 5 it and